Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making a Easter themed candle with soy wax from Michael's Craft Store. If this is your first time seeing one of my videos, please comment that it's your first time and hit the subscribe button so I can tell you how much I appreciate you and thank you, and let's get on to this candle. I did want to try using resin powder as the pigment color for the candle. I have a lot of it, I didn't want to waste it, and it seems to work out well. The pigment does tend to sink to the bottom, especially in the wax melts, but overall it does give a good color. This was just a personal candle, not anything special, so it was fine with this. I also prefer to do beach scents. I suppose I should have done a spring scent, but since this was a personal candle, I was going for the beach theme. I waited about 1 hour to maybe 2 hours for the soy wax to harden before putting on the additional layers. as this video winds down, question of the video, what is your favorite and least favorite scent in a candle? My favorite would probably be something in the beachy theme or coconut theme. My least favorite is by far anything pine or evergreen. I'm sorry if that offends anybody. It just gives me an instant headache. And if I see any house with that scent, I will go over and blow it out. I cannot stand it. I'm sorry if it offends anybody again. But what is yours? Leave it in the comments below.